To install the extension, we recommend beginning at Screencastify.com. When you get to our website, you'll notice that there is a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Pressing that button will open up a new tab in the Chrome Web Store where you can finish the installation. On the Screencastify page in the Chrome Web Store, you'll notice another blue Add to Chrome button. Click there. Once you select Add to Chrome, a permission screen will drop down. It will say that Screencastify needs permissions to display notifications, communicate with cooperating websites, and capture the content on your screen. We need all of those permissions to ensure that the extension runs properly. If you agree, simply select Add Extension again. Now, the Screencastify extension icon will pop up to the right of your address bar. Clicking on our arrow icon will allow you to begin the setup process. We highly recommend saving all videos to Google Drive. Once you've enabled that switch, you can sign in with your Google account. The account that you sign into Screencastify with will be the account that we will use to create a Screencastify folder where we'll save all of your videos. Once you've signed in with Google Drive, it's time to allow a few permissions. On this screen, we'll collect the permissions necessary for our drawing and annotation tools to work, as well as your camera and microphone. First, we'll need permission to read and change all of the data on websites you visit. This is simply so that we can change the script on the websites in order to allow you to draw on them with our annotation tools. Next, we'll ask for access to your camera and microphone. This is just so that you can embed your webcam into your recordings, and you can use your microphone to add your voice to anything that you record. The last step is letting us know who you are. If you're an educator, simply select that so that we can send you notifications and emails, if you wish, that are tailored to your specific role. After selecting Educator, we'll ask a little bit more about what type of students you teach. If you operate in a K-12 setting, select Grade School. If you operate at a college or university, select that, or feel free to select Other if neither quite captures what you do. That's it. You're completely done with the setup process. Let's celebrate with some confetti. In our next video, we'll use the extension to create your first video. I'll see you there.